So my name is Damanie. We're at the Thistle Hotel for a conference, Samuel Leeds. The rent-to-rent course, I think it is, the 4-day course. So we are. So yeah.
Fantastic. How have you found it?
So far, so good, I would say. I've learned a lot about the essays, Airbnb, stuff like that, about HMOs as well, which is quite good. Very informative, I would say, definitely, you know. So yeah.
Tell me a bit about Samuel. What's it been like watching him? What's Samuel like on stage?
Yeah, he's good. You know, he's got a lot of energy, which is nice because it keeps you captivated. You know, he's up and down. He's walking around. He's making noises. He's got a lot of energy, so it's very good. It's very good.
Excellent. So people are obviously in there. They're landed deals.
Yeah.
They're in there. They're landed deals. Like
Yeah.
you see kind of people like on the phone. What's it like
Yeah.
seeing it happening?
Do you know what? It's not surreal, but it's very motivational when you see it happening. It makes you want to do it more as well. Because at home by yourself, you're a bit more like, oh, should I do it right now? But when you see it happening in real life, it makes you want to do it more. Yeah.
Tell me a bit about your interest in property. What are your goals?
So my goals is to, eventually get some Airbnbs going, eventually. Maybe one day some HMOs. At the moment, I've got no properties at the moment right now. I'm just like a newbie to it. So, that's my goals really, yeah.
Fantastic. And someone who's thinking about coming down to the course, what would you say to them?
I'll say come along, be open to it, make a lot of notes, I would say, because there's a lot of things that are said that are very important to understand. I'll say come down, man, come down, check it out, yeah.